This is the basic green budgie called Kenzo. Hello Kenzo! This is Piku. So in wild you will find most of the budgies with this green color. They are most popular and they are like widely over there. Other mutation which is very common is this blue, and of course the yellow color. So this is one yellow wherein there are small dashes and all. It's called spangle. And this is another yellow which is Lutino. If you would closely look, Ika, our budgie, is Lutino and has red eye. So even eyes, are different. So for this one, can you see? And look at Kenzo's eyes. There are circles. So circles are prominent when they age, and circle determine their age as well. But recessive pied, like Shih Tzu, they have white, bright, bold, without circles eyes. So Kenzo has iris, and because Shih Tzu is recessive pied, it doesn't have iris. Piku, can you find the circle? Yes. Look at another recessive pied. These are actually two. One is Yoko and other is Mishu. Look at their eyes. Their eyes are white black. There are no circles. Yes, Mishu, hello. Say hello. Ask people to follow Shinfly ORG on Insta and shinfly.org.